Welcome to Cadnison's Clips. In this tutorial, I'm going to look at the style definition conflict warning message, why you get it when you edit your template, and how to resolve it. First of all, what is the style definition conflict message and when do you get it? I'm going to start by looking at my project. By default, projects have a setting of Use Style Library Read Only. With this setting checked, let's look at our edited template. And here we get the warning message. But what does it actually mean? There are three portions to the warning message. The first explains the conflict. Inventor has two sets of style libraries. The first is in the product, installed to either the program files or your Windows public user folder, depending on if you're using XP or Vista. The second set is locally saved within your template. When you edit your template, those styles are then different from the ones saved in Inventor. Inventor is then unsure of which ones to use. When this happens, it defaults to use the program style libraries and not your templates. It then lists all of the styles that conflict, and lastly, it explains on how to fix it. Let's take a look at the styles and standards in our template. Take note that with the styles library set to read only, the Save button is grayed out. Your Update button, however, is available. Clicking this would resync your template to the program styles library. In the styles editor, we have both the local styles and the program styles available. Let's go back and check our project file to change our style library settings. This time, instead of style library read only, we're going to change it to Use Style Library No. What this means is that we're telling the project file that we do not want to read the style library from the program files. It instead will only look at the template styles. Because it's only looking at the template styles, there will be no conflict warning message. Looking at the styles and standards, you'll notice that both the Save and the Update are grayed out. In the styles editor, the only style that will be available is the local styles within your template file. Again, let's go back to our project file. This time we'll change it to Use Style Libraries Yes. By doing this, we are telling the project file that we do want to use both the program styles and the template styles, and doing this in a read-write mode. Instead of going to a new template this time, we're going to edit the template directly by opening the original file. Once we have the file open, we're going to look at the styles and standards. You'll see this time that both the Save and the Update are available. The Save command lists all the styles that are currently conflict and allows us to write our template styles back to the program files, making the two match again. When you do this, a warning message will display as you are overriding settings within your program files. Don't be too concerned though, as there is a zip file in the same location called design data. This has all the original settings and you can restore this if you do make a mistake. If you do it again, you'll notice that this time no styles will be listed. Let's save our template and check it to see the difference. This time round, there will be no error message. That's it for our template styles conflict. If you have any other question, please feel free to contact our technical support line at CAD Group Australia. Thanks for tuning in.